This video shows how to reduce the fan speed. So this is the fan, CPU fan on a Windows 10 AMD PC. So I start the PC, Windows 10, push the delete button. Now we are in the mainboard settings and we will see there. Here we go to the settings. It's a racing. The BIOS is called Racing from AMD. So we go to Advanced and then we go to this Smart Fan Control, and now the fan is mounted on the CPU. So this is the first one. We switch this one to it has a 4-pin cable, so we need the 4-pin steering or control. And this is set to manual. We will do it to automatic mode, but that's the manual mode there is wrong. We do it to quiet, and we calibrate it. And as you see there, the RPM, the turns are average speed is 2,300 root per minute, and it's quite noisy. Fan produces the noise, and the air which flows through those cooling stripes makes that noise. Now when starting the PC, it's not necessary that the PC has 2,300 RPM, and we will calibrate it. And now calibrating, and as you hear, now when calibrating, the speed goes down, and now speed goes up. So when calibrating, the speed varies from 1000 to 2000 and something else. They are calibrating the speed depending on the heat, and they are calculating the fan speed, pulse width modulation, and those values. So okay, this works now. Now we type escape. We keep that in mind. So still the PC, after the settings, the PC goes up to 2000 and something else. Now we go to let's do it like this. We type escape. Where's escape? Save and exit F10. Now we are restarting, and the CPU is still in full power mode. System comes up. Additional software package there with the AMD board, which is called Racing GT. When you start Racing GT software, then here at hardware monitor you will see the speed is now on 800 to RPM to something on 1000. So the monitor gets the fan is very slow now. It's only on a slow rotation. And if this doesn't work, then you have to go to this one. You have to this one is pretty nice when the mode is on quiet. This should work and you should keep it. But if it doesn't work, then you should disable that. You see, speed goes up again. And then with the calibrating, now your fan may control by itself. Now we accept that, and now we set it to automatic. Now the speed goes a little bit down, not that good as it had been before at when the quiet mode was on, but this is still very good. Normally the speed is on something of 2,300 RPM. A Freezer 7 Pro, and this is defined as very quiet, but only if you reduce the speed.